Okay, now we want to do is configure the PCCM clone for most base cars. The first thing we want to do is connect the CAN bus decoder. That goes in this cable right here. See that? That connects, and it's wire tied into this main cable that's going into this connector right there. Now we want to get the blue and white cable and plug the connector into socket number 4, like so. Then we want to find the pair of green with green and black stripe. That cable marries up with the identical green with green and black stripe, like that. That cable comes from the ISO, you can see it, it goes right there, an ISO socket C1. Don't get that confused with analog hookup, okay? The analogs have the preamp audio. That's not used on this. What this transmits is CAN bus data, okay? The next thing we want to do is connect the pink reverse lines together. The good thing about CAN bus is it's going to handle the reverse trigger for your backup camera. It saves you a lot of trouble. Okay, the amp line remains connected. These two, key 1 and key 2, remain unaltered. They are both capped. This is for your backup camera. This is 12 volt positive switched. And we will talk more about that later and do a whole segment on the backup camera. Now on the ISO plug, the RCA connectors for the preamp is not used. Remember, we're talking about digital audio going to the amp. This connector is not used either. That's for the analog cars, okay? So basically, the unit is going to take the preamp output, these two connectors, and it plugs into the most decoder box, like so. Okay? And that converts the preamp audio to fiber optics so that the amp will be happy. Okay? These 3 lines are for power. One is switched, one is ground, and one is constant. Now you're wondering, where do I connect that? Well, you can connect these just about anywhere, like the cell phone connector that came with the car. You could connect it there if you wanted to. But the way they intended, and it took me a while because there's no installation instructions. So I had to do a lot of searching and found out that where they intended you to connect it is on the actual CAN bus cables right here. And once you look closely, you'll see that you have a red, a yellow, and a black line, okay? These 3 cables must be tapped into. Do not get the red with the orange mixed up. Okay, so basically you take these cables right here and you match them up right there. Yellow to yellow, red to red, and black to black. And that's what they're intending for the most decoder box to be plugged into, okay? Yeah, I wish they had a simpler way of tapping into that, but basically what you have to do is cut these lines and solder these lines in there, okay? Unfortunately, that's the way it goes. All right? So that basically sums up what you need to do to get it ready for most bus. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is connecting the backup camera to the PCCM clone.